everyone, Shelly Rael, registered dietitian nutritionist with Eat, Live, Be Well Nutrition. I want to address a little bit today about the idea of prevention and wellness versus dealing with something after we are already sick or in a health crisis. So, as a dietitian for nearly 20 years now, I have pretty much always worked in the area of wellness and disease risk reduction, to a certain extent, disease management. I always knew I didn't want to work in a hospital. That is just not my area that I thrive in. I want to work with people who are interested in taking care of their health before the crisis happens. And a lot of people don't realize how much this can impact their life. When we take approach of overall wellness, nutrition or diet, how we eat, regular physical activity, stress management, appropriate sleep, screening, all kinds of things to help us reduce the risk of getting the disease or managing at the early stages, is so much easier than dealing with it after the fact. I'm just bringing this up because I've met people who have had a health scare. So they got a screening and they are worried about having a specific disease. And they're waiting for the result of the testing before they're making changes. And this just breaks my heart. And I'm not talking about massive changes, a massive overhaul to the overall lifestyle, or some people that may be the case, but it is something where if we take small steps to improve our health now before we get sick, it'll be easier to manage later on if we do happen to have a disease that comes up and bites us in the behind. What I tend to think of this is the routine maintenance on our car. And I use this example all the time as comparing the human body to a car. And well, not everybody likes that. For the most part, I find that people take care of their cars way better than they take care of their own body. But when I was younger, I did not take care of my car. I did not check my oil regularly, and half the time when I needed windshield wiper fluid, I didn't have it. But if I took care of it in the process, it would have been less detrimental to the health of the car in the long run if I had been taking care of that. And I did significant damage to my car by not maintaining it well. Think of that as the same way as our body. If we maintain our health and do things now to maintain our health as best as possible, it's going to help things in the long run. We've got one body, we're stuck with it for our entire lives. Let's take care of it throughout our life and not wait till there's damage before we start making changes. I encourage you to comment on this post, like it, even share it. I would love to know what you think about the routine maintenance of our body rather than waiting for a health crisis. Take care of yourself. Bye now.